Hey everyone, Unreal Engine 5.5 is here, and as you're looking at these contents, if you want these contents for free, you can go to fab.com and find them for free now, and they're free for a short time, so you better pick up them soon. Now let's go and talk about what is new in Unreal Engine 5.5. So Unreal Engine 5.5 is a game changer for developers, animators, and virtual production teams. Unreal 5 has already set new standards, but 5.5 takes things even further. Let's break down everything it has to offer and what each new tool can do for your projects. First off, animation improvement. Unreal Sequencer has upgraded, now supporting non-destructive animation layers, meaning you can layer animation without permanently affecting the original base. This is huge for workflows where complex character interactions require fine-tuning without altering foundational animation workflow. With the new modular control rig, building and managing control rigs has become a lot easier. Unreal has already introduced an animator kit packed with powerful tools like deformer objects that allow for more detailed and lifelike character movements. So if you're working on a project that requires intricate animations, Unreal's tools are now even more powerful and flexible. Rendering has also taken a major leap forward. Lumion, Unreal's real-time global illumination and reflection system, now supports real-time hardware ray tracing at 60 frames per second. This is a big deal for those aiming for hyper-realistic lighting in high-performance environments. On top of that, the path tracer has reached a production-ready status, meaning you get cinema-grade visuals that can run smoothly even on Linux. For materials, the substrate system has moved to beta, letting you create complex materials with advanced control over surface properties. Whether you're going glossy materials, matte surfaces, or intricate layer textures, Substrate makes material rendering more nuanced and visually stunning than ever before. And now, one of the most anticipated features, Megalights. You can think of Megalights as nanites for lights. It allows you to populate scenes with hundreds of dynamic lights that cast shadows without taking performance. For game developers and filmmakers alike, this opens up incredible possibilities. From adding light textures to creating area lights with soft shadows, all of which add depth and realism to your scenes. Lighting that was previously challenging to manage in real time now feels natural and manageable. Unreal Engine 5.5 also delivers new upgrades for visual production. The in-camera VFX or ICVFX toolset is now production ready and has been optimized with SMPTE 2110 support for video over IP workflows. If you're in virtual production, this means improved compatibility with your existing studio tech. Camera collaboration tools has been improved as well, making it easier to integrate virtual and physical elements in live action environments. Virtual scouting has also received an upgrade, allowing filmmakers to navigate virtual environments with a higher level of immersion. This gives teams a more accurate way to pre-visualize scenes before committing to physical sets. Moving on to mobile game development, Unreal put some serious work into expanding support for mobile platforms. The mobile forward renderer now includes new visual effects like debuffer decals, area lights, and Niagara particle lights, which were previously reserved for high-end graphics. This means mobile games can now incorporate effects that were once out of reach. And with the automatic pipeline state object or PSO caching, developers now have a more seamless experience with optimizing games for mobile, cutting down on development time and resources. When it comes to optimizing development, the new Zen server is now production ready. The Zen server significantly improves data processing and iteration time, making it a great tool for large teams or studios working on complex projects. Unreal Build Accelerator also speeds things up by minimizing the time it takes to load and compile assets, which is especially useful when you need to test and iterate quickly. These tools streamline your workflow, making game development faster and smoother than ever before. And last but not least, FUB, the new integrated marketplace. With FUB, you can browse and import assets directly into Unreal Engine with a simple drag and drop. It's designed to reduce the back and forth between the marketplace and your project, speeding up asset management and making high quality content more accessible. For creators and team looking to save time and effort, this addition is a game changer. So there you have it, Unreal Engine 5.5. Whether you're an animator, game developer, or filmmaker, there's something in this release that will elevate your workflow and final product. From improved animation layers to real-time ray tracing at 60 frames per second, mega lights, and better mobile rendering support, Unreal 5.5 continues to push the boundaries of what's possible in real-time development. Be sure to update and explore these new features for yourself. And thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more Unreal Engine contents, and let us know in the comments which new features you're most excited to try out. Catch you in the next video.